raise my eyes up to the mountains. And to my brothers and sisters. We are looking like mountains. We are like mountains. We are more than men. I thought that my belief will come from my brothers and sisters. I thought that my word will come from my pastor. I thought that my word will come from the prophet. I thought that my word will come from people. I said no. I looked like this. They are like mountains. My word will my answer is not there. I said my word will come from the Lord. To live the church. Your pain will come from the Lord. Obey the Lord. Obey the Lord of the Lord. Let's have needs. Very small. About 6 million in 1 month.